so just put a wash machine on. I've got a Miele W1 Classic showing a fault of F20. Just doesn't seem to be doing anything. So we'll have a look in a minute and try and solve the F20 problem. Hopefully help other people with the same problem. Okay, welcome back to our F20 fault on this Miele W1 Classic. Basically all I did was turn the power off on the knob, not on the switch or socket. I then went down to the filter here and unscrewed it. There was a bit of debris in there. There wasn't a lot. It's probably just enough to stop the pump turning. You see sort of the bits in there, a few black bits. You see some of the debris that's come out of there. Word of caution, when you undo this, just undo it a little bit and try and just get something under that lip there to catch the water. There's probably a couple of pints of water in there. Anyway, just to recap, we had an F20 problem. Machine kept beeping, not working. So turned it off there. Release the filter cap slowly and drained the water in, and I just put my finger inside and turned the propeller inside there. You see what I mean when you do it, and that comes off by just pressing this down there, and that has fixed for us the Miele W1 Classic F20 problem. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. This is a wash machine, and if it's helped you along a bit, why not help us along a bit? It'd be appreciated. Thank you.